Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let us thank God for His blessing and grace so that we can participate in this contest with good condition. The Honorable Judicator, my beloved friends, and to all the audience, let me introduce myself. My name is Reinaldus Wuli, and I am from Baleriwu Senior High School in Nagekeo Regency. In this time, I will give my substantive speech why I completely agree with this motion. Ladies and gentlemen, our motion today is scholarship should only be granted on basis of financial necessity. Ladies and gentlemen, from this motion, I get two keywords. The first is scholarship and the second is financial or finance. Scholarship, according to the KBBI, scholarships are allowances given to students as aid for study costs. Finances or financial is a term relates to financial affairs, so that the meaning of the scholarship should only be granted the basis of financial necessity is scholarship only given to the people and financial basis, meaning that scholarships are given to the people who have financial problems or economic problems. Ladies and gentlemen, from this motion, I get three arguments, and these arguments can prove to us and can guarantee why I completely agree with this motion. The first argument is because scholarships are priorities for people who have financial constraints. I said this because based on data from antaranews.co 1st January 2020, about 94 million of children in Riau province can't continue their study because they don't have money to pay the school fee. Ladies and gentlemen, from this data, we can conclude many students in our country cannot continue their study because they have the financial problem or economic problem. So that I think this motion is right because the government should give the scholarship to the student or to the family have a financial problem. So if they have the financial, their child can continue their study in school. So that necessary scholarship is only given to people on a financial basis. It means that scholarships are given to people who really have financial problems or economic problems. Ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the second argument. The second argument is there are a lot of families have financial problems in our country. Ladies and gentlemen, I said this because in our country we have many families have an economic problem or a financial problem. I said this because based on data from mediacom.co.id, 15th of July 2020, almost 4.3 million students is dropped out from school, and this number increased after the COVID-19 about 1938. Now we can see the financial is really needed in education. So the student cannot go to school or college only they have enough financial to really agree with this motion, because in this era we in the pandemic COVID-19, so that many families in our country have a financial problem or economic problem. So I think the scholarship should give to the family have financial or economic problem. And the third argument is, with the scholarship, the student can be motivated to improve their ability to gain the student achievement. I think if the student get the scholarship of the school or of the government, they can increase themselves to prepare the school so they can get the student achievement. So in this time, in the last hour of my statement, I want to say I totally agree with this motion. Thank you.